In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can use saved audio on Instagram posts. So let's dive right in. After opening up your Instagram, to use saved audio, open up your Reels section from here, and then at the bottom side, it will show you this music option. Click on that, and on the right upper side, it will give you these three options: to send, save, and these three dots. Click on this save option that's showing in the middle. Then this audio will be saved. And now to use this on your Instagram post, what you can do is open up your Instagram and click on this plus icon. From here, you can select Reels and record a video. After recording video, click on this next button, and here on the upper side, it will show you this music icon. If you click on that, it will open up a list of the featured musics. And here you will find these four options like controls, voiceover, saved, and sound effects. Here you need to open this saved, and here the saved audios. You can select anyone and it will be applied to your Instagram post. And from the right top side, you can select done and send it and share. So that's how you can use saved audio on Instagram in just few easy steps.